Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to bring your most intricate designs to life with precision and accuracy, whether you're an architect, engineer, or construction professional. The HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer is here to revolutionize the way you work, and I'm excited to share all its amazing features with you. First, let's talk about the types of projects this printer is ideal for. If you're working with technical line drawings, renders that require precise and accurate line quality, crisp text, posters, or maps, this printer is a game changer. The level of detail it can produce is stunning, making it perfect for professionals who need to showcase their work in the best possible light. Whether you're presenting to clients or collaborating with teammates, the output from this printer will undoubtedly impress. Now, let's explore the media sizes this printer can handle. With the ability to print up to 24-inch wide media rolls, you have the flexibility to work on large format projects with ease. But that's not all. The included automatic sheet feeder accessory also allows you to print up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of tasks. This means you can seamlessly switch between different project requirements, from printing detailed architectural drawings to producing eye-catching posters. The media handling capabilities of this printer are also worth highlighting. With features like sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and automatic horizontal cutter, you can focus on your work without worrying about the logistics of printing. The automatic sheet/roll switch is particularly useful, as it allows you to transition between different media types without interrupting your workflow. And with the media bin, you can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. In terms of connectivity, the HP DesignJet T630 has got you covered. With Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N, you can easily print from your computer, mobile device, or even directly from your design and CAD applications. This level of connectivity ensures that you can work efficiently and collaborate with others without any hassle. Plus, with the included HP Click software, you can simplify your printing process even further. This software allows you to save time, ink, and paper waste with features like PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting. You can predefine your print settings and easily print files by simply dragging and dropping them, making it an invaluable tool for streamlining your workflow. The HP Click software is integrated with your workflow, allowing you to print directly from your design and common CAD applications. This means you can work seamlessly within your existing software ecosystem, without having to worry about compatibility issues or tedious file conversions. With the ability to print files in various formats, including PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HPGL/2, and PNG, you have the flexibility to work with the file types that suit your needs. Whether you're working on a complex engineering project or a creative design task, this printer has the capabilities to bring your vision to life. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an exceptional tool for professionals who demand high-quality output and versatility. With its impressive media handling capabilities, advanced connectivity options, and user-friendly software, this printer is sure to take your work to the next level. If you're looking to upgrade your printing capabilities and take advantage of the latest technology, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T630. Find the link in the description below to learn more and discover how this incredible printer can transform your workflow. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your work.